Who you arguing with? What? What happened? Did you write your letter to Santa Claus? You forgot the address on it? How is he gonna know it's you then? Hmm? What are you gonna do? Write another one? Oh my.
Don't cry over writing another one. You'll do it. We'll help you.
You want Papa to help you write another one? Yeah?
That's what you want to put on there? And what else? A big pony? A horsey? And you're going to get a stamp to put on the envelope?